Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we shall explain heart attack and what is a myocardial infarction and causes and symptoms of a myocardial infarction or an heart attack. Let's proceed to our video. So what is a heart attack? This is a normal and healthy human heart, and these are the coronary arteries through which the blood flows smoothly, and we can see, yes, this is the blood smoothly flowing through these arteries. And if these arteries are blocked or narrowed, here you see a dissection of a coronary artery, and over a period of time and with the passage of age, due to unhealthy diet, unhealthy lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, and the people who don't do exercises and don't care for their diet, they get fatty deposits of cholesterol and triglycerides and white blood cells and calcium deposits inside the coronary arteries like this, and it narrows down your arteries, and the very small pathway is left for the blood to smoothly flow in these coronary arteries, and this causes blockage, and this blockage can cause a heart attack in your heart. How? Let's see. This is a zoomed view of a human heart, and let's see the smooth flow. The blood should be flowing smoothly in these arteries like this, but if a blockage forms here due to plaque in the arteries or a blood clot in these arteries, what will happen that this blockage, due to this blockage, there will be no supply of blood in this portion of your heart, and this portion of heart and will be affected, and the tissues and cells of myocardial cells will die here and will go into necrosis, and this is what a heart attack is called. So what is it? Due to a blockage in your coronary arteries, the blood supply to some portion of your heart is blocked, and due to this blockage the heart cells and tissues die, and some portion of your hearts are affected, and this is what a heart attack is called, or myocardial infarction is called. So let's see the causes. Atherosclerosis, this is deposition of plaque in your arteries. Thrombus, this is formation of a blood clot in your arteries which blocks the pathway of blood. And embolus, this is a blood clot which forms outside the heart in some other part of the body but travels through your arteries to your blood, like the patients of deep vein thrombosis, and it causes the blockage in your heart coronary arteries and leads to a heart attack. Then again hemorrhage, if there is lack of blood in the body, then there will be no blood for your heart to pump, and it can also cause a heart attack like anemia as well. So what is vasospasm? Vasospasm is narrowing of your blood artery. This is a different cause of heart attack, which causes narrowing of your coronary arteries without any deposition of plaque, atherosclerosis, embolus or thrombus, but it is a different type of cause of heart attack. So these are the causes of your heart attack, and here we see how a blood clot forming here, thrombus, travels to heart like an embolus and causes your heart attack in your coronary arteries. Symptoms can be chest pain or discomfort, and this pain can be on the left side or the center of your heart of your chest, and this pain can also radiate towards your jaws, your neck, and radiate toward the back of your back, and it is very discomforting, and patients also complain that it feels that as if feet of elephant are being put on their chests. They feel heartburn, they feel cold sweats, vomiting, shortness of breath, and any other reasons they can be many symptoms, and some patients even don't have some symptoms as well in some cases. So these are the symptoms and your causes of your heart attack. I hope this video would have helped you. Please do subscribe and like my channel. We shall keep uploading more videos for taking care of your good health care. Allah Hafiz.